And still in St. James, residents in the eastern end of the parish are sounding the alarm as landslides triggered by Hurricane Melissa left the main route to the township blocked, leaving the sick and hungry marooned. We have more in this report.
A landslide, which caused a roadblock measuring more than 6 feet in height and spanning over a quarter of a mile, has left the communities of Sunderland and Lottery in St. James partially annexed from the township of Montego Bay. Residents have found themselves between a rock and a hard place, as on the left, saturated hillsides, and on the right, a precipice plunging several meters below. Motorists have had to park their vehicles and take on the dangerous journey through mud and debris by foot. On Monday, 22-year-old Marion Davidson was seen scrambling through the muck to seek much-needed medical attention after the house in which she sought refuge during the hurricane caved in and left her with a serious head injury. Despite being knocked unconscious and left bleeding profusely, she wrapped her 3-year-old daughter in a borrowed shirt and set out on foot, navigating waist-deep mud and downed power lines in the dark. She told our news team that she was injured after using her body as a shield to protect her daughter.
I was already packed for where we were heading next, but we didn't have an option. So as he started packing his things, the house was already coming down, so I had to use my body for a shield to protect my 3-year-old. After the storm, I didn't know nothing, but I know that I was blacked out because I found myself lying on a piece of fly. Then I didn't know nothing after. Then when I woke up, I feel someone pull me up from underboard.
On the day of our visit to the area, a teary-eyed Miss Davidson, who lost everything to the river when it swelled and washed away her house, was seen again making her way to the hospital as she has been troubled with severe headaches and believes her injury is infected.
I feel something biting here, but it's not like the stitch when I get it. It feels something like it is warm. Forming there or something there biting me.
The residents are seeking urgent assistance.
Mr. Andrew, I beg you, please. I let me have to walk from through bamboo, precipice we have come through. Do me, I beg you, boss, here. Monday, planning the work from Wednesday. Please, if I have one chapter, give we black in. The 2 entrance, them black. We can't go mobile and we have baby. We have old people who have to get their medication. We have to do what we have to do. Mr. Bart, let me beg you one more time, please. If I have one chapter, may we get it.
Stevie and Winter for TVJ News.